I'm glad you joined us for a video. This is how to make a tornado for summer. This is pretty cool. So you need 2 bottles. You can have the big 2-liter bottles. You can have little water bottles, a washer, or you can use something else if you don't have a washer. And you will need water. If mom and dad have a drill, they could drill a hole in the cover instead. But you're going to take a washer, put it right there. On that. I'm going to take the water and I'm going to fill the cup. Put water in the bottle. And then this bottle, put that there, the washer right on top. And then put the other bottle right on top. But I'm going to use some tape. Here we got some tape. There we go. And they're going to put this right over this so it does not leak. Just like that. Hopefully, this does not leak. I'm going to take it and I'm going to see if I can get this going. Oh, see that in there? See the tornado going? Oh, it's not working. See if we do that again. Ready? I'm going to swish it a little. Look at that go. See that going in there? Swish it a little bit.
That's really cool.
So there you go. That is a tornado in a bottle. Is that pretty cool? Have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed the making the tornado.